Most people think they're losing their eyesight because of age. But what if that's not true? What if your vision isn't fading, but slowly being deprived? Because here's the truth no one talks about. Your eyes don't just wear out. They break down and rebuild every single night. And whether they get stronger or weaker depends on one simple thing: what you give your body before sleep. And in a moment, I'm going to show you the exact night routine and the one powerful fruit most people completely ignore that could change how your eyes recover while you sleep. So stay with me. During the day, your eyes are under constant attack. Light, screens, sun, stress, all of it creates tiny damage inside your retina, the part of your eye responsible for vision. But at night, everything changes. Repair systems activate. Inflammation drops. Your body begins to regenerate. This is when your eyes try to heal. But most people go to bed without giving their body the nutrients it needs to repair anything. So the damage builds, night after night, year after year, until one day it feels like your vision is just fading. But it didn't fade. It was never repaired. Now imagine this instead. Right before sleep, you give your body exactly what it needs: the nutrients, the protection, the support. At the exact moment your body is ready to use them. That's where everything changes, because certain fruits contain powerful compounds that protect your eyes, reduce damage, and support overnight repair. But more importantly, they work best at night. Quick pause if you care about your health and you want simple strategies like this. Hit subscribe to Mind Ascent right now. Most people won't see this information, but you will. Now, here's the simple system. About 1 hour before bed, eat a combination of 2 to 3 fruits that are rich in antioxidants and eye-supporting nutrients. The best options include watermelon for hydration and protection, papaya for reducing inflammation, kiwi for supporting vision and sleep, goji berries for protecting the retina, tart cherries for better sleep and night vision, wild blueberries for powerful antioxidant support, and black currants, which we'll come back to in a second because that one is the most powerful. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They either don't have access to all these fruits, or they don't eat them consistently. So here's what I recommend. If you can't get these fruits fresh every day, you can use high-quality versions like frozen wild blueberries, dried goji berries, pure tart cherry juice, or black carrot extract. I've linked some of the best options in the description below. Make sure you check those out, especially if you want a simple way to stay consistent, because consistency is everything here. Now let's come back to the most powerful one, black currants. This fruit contains compounds that directly support your eye's ability to recover from light exposure and improve night vision. And here's why that matters. Every day your eyes lose a key visual pigment. At night, your body tries to restore it, but without the right nutrients, that process slows down. Black currants help support that restoration, which means better recovery and stronger vision over time. So if you only take one thing from this video, make it this: your eyes are not failing because of age. They're struggling because they're not getting what they need at the moment it matters most. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, 1 hour before bed, give your body the nutrients it needs. Stay consistent. Pay attention to how your eyes feel in the morning, because once you understand this, you stop guessing. You start taking control. And if you made it this far, comment vision below so I know you're serious about improving your health. Also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Mind Ascent, and check the links in the description. Take care of your eyes, and they'll take care of you.